Axpert VM to Premium Plus Hybrid Inverter is a high-performance hybrid inverter produced by TPC Solars, designed to deliver optimal efficiency and durability for solar energy applications. Axpert VM to Premium Plus Hybrid Inverter wide PV input range starts from 3 OVDC4, 1 5K, 3K for point-to-K models. Built-in communication port for BMS, built-in feed-in grid function, built-in Wi-Fi with app for remote monitoring and OTA, firmware upgrad, dual AC outputs only for 4.2000, 6.2K models, maximum charging current 1008, 1208 based on models, battery independent design, battery equalization function to optimize battery, performance and extend life cycle, built-in anti-dust kit. TPC Solar's solar panel inverters provide dependable power and enduring performance, making them ideal for residential, commercial, and industrial applications. TPC solar panel inverters are designed using high-quality materials, providing excellent performance and remarkable value at a competitive price. At TPC Solar, we provide high customer value, customer support, product warranty, products with complete certifications. TPC Solar is pleased to announce international shipping of our products, with a particular focus on the Middle East. TPC Solar is committed to providing reliable service and ensuring that our solar solutions reach clients efficiently. Visit us at tpcsolars.com.